Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today, replacing rear bulbs in a Nissan Rogue. You're gonna need a 10mm ratchet, and you're gonna remove this 10mm bolt, this one bolt, this one, and this one. And then you gotta slide your capsule out. You just pull forward to slide it out. It takes a pretty snug pull. All right, what I'm doing now is just taking the 10mm bolts out. There's 4 of them. 2 for this black piece. You gotta take it off because the tail light capsule is behind it. Four your bolts. Then you're gonna, these you got little bitty plastic inserts holding them in, so you just got to pop it off. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy. Surprised the tail light came out that easy. Just like that. See your tabs, 1, 2, 3, right there. And the tabs are here. I know you go. The tabs are here, here, and here when you go to replace it back. And then you're gonna have to do your tail light, which has two tabs in here, into the body. You just grab it and tug. You gotta tug pretty hard. See, 1 and 2, and there's a tab, there's an insert there and there. And then this little piece right here, you line it up, putting it back on, so it just slides right into there. Pretty simple. Then you got your tail lights. That's a 7440 NA for amber. This is just a plain 7440. And this one here is a 168, a 194, 168. I'm just gonna push this aside, put it over here. This is the 168. I went back with the LED bulb, but you can see how burnt. Pop it out. 7440 and 7440 NA. This is just your plain 7440. Like that. And then your 7440 NA. But it don't matter because it's the NAs are back in this area, amber. So now we'll just do it in reverse. Go. You're gonna line your marks up like that, and then twist, and it locks into place. This one's a little tight. But you just find your 3 tabs, or your tabs on your bulb, or here, here, and here, or your socket, here, here, and here. There it goes. Them smaller sockets always giving me trouble. Oh, now you're back in good. You just want to line this part up with this, and then these will fall into place right here. Push it in, then get this piece back. These 2 line up inside, and then your tabs, 1, 2, 3, This red one's going to go to the tail light assembly. Snap it into place like that. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. The parking light, which would be the little white one, that should be your blinker. Then your brake light.